Hey guys, welcome back to Ben Ventures. You're back here with Ben, and I'm on another adventure. Today I'm kayaking through a lake called Pitt Lake into a creek called Widgeon Creek, and that's in the city of Pitt Meadows, British Columbia. And it's such a beautiful day. Check it out. So the temperature is about 6 degrees Celsius. I'll give that to you guys in Fahrenheit. And the whole trek is about an hour or so, and then I'm gonna cook up some food when I get there, and it should be awesome. Thanks for checking out this video, guys, and if you got a second, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Funny, I didn't think there'd be anybody else out here, but got another fellow kayaker on his way to the camping spot, so. So this lake here is one of the only in the world that is a tidal lake. And again, it's called Pitt Lake. So when you get to the spot, you got to make sure to put your boat a little higher, because the water will come up and take your boat away right in the middle of the night when you're camping. So I'll put the details of this lake and this little kayak trip in the description for you guys to check out. So normally I come here during the summer, but I thought I would check it out during the winter. And the water levels are really quite high, actually, much higher than the summer. At some points you're kind of almost bottoming out during the summer, but the water levels are just at their maximum right now. So far, smooth sailing. All right, we're just nearing up on the old campsite. I think I'm about 4 or 5 minutes away. And so far it has been really smooth paddling. There's been no wind, and like I said, the water's just glass. I mean, check it out. So when you get to a fork in the road, there's two different ways that you can actually go. So this way is the campsite direction, and the other way just keeps going on and on for a little while. I'm not quite sure how far that goes, but I went the wrong way once and I was paddling for quite some time, so it goes quite a ways that way. But yeah, just follow the sign where it says Widgeon Campsite right there, and you will be fine. Alright, well, I have made it to the campsite, and I thought I'd have more time to cook up some food and get a dehydrated meal in me, but I think I might have a slow leak in my boat. So I've just drained it out, but I'll show you what the campsite looks like here. So they have a couple of outhouses, some bear caches, you know, so you can put your stuff away, because this area is thick with bears. There is a lot of bears in the area. So here's the caches here. And then that trail there actually will take you to a waterfall. I think it's about maybe a 45-minute hike. And it's a beautiful hike during the summer. It's really refreshing after the hike. You jump in, the water's crystal clear. And again, the name of the campsite is Widgeon Creek Campsite, and that's in Pitt Meadows. And I'll just show you the details here. It's Widgeon Falls is the name of the waterfall. Pine Cone Burke Provincial Park. Well, I think I've got to start rolling back, especially if I'm losing a little bit of air on my boat. I do have my pump, but I think just in case I'm gonna do the hour-long trek back. All right, so the name of the boat I'm using here is by a company called Bestway, and I'll put their information in the description. It's worked quite well for me. It's just taking a little bit of figuring out as to where to put the majority of my stuff. And on the way in, I think I put it all in the, like some of it in the back, whereas I should have front loaded it and put it in the front portion of my boat. It seems to be running much better, so yeah. Well, I am starving. I'm gonna boil up some water here, and I'm gonna eat a dehydrated meal. And I'm pretty much almost all the way there, back to the car and the dock. So I'm gonna try these sticks this time, along with the popsicle sticks. And I have a feeling they'll burn a lot longer. The popsicle sticks, they just burn, oh, my hair is crazy. They burn really fast. So I got these from the dollar store, and I'm just gonna break them up, and I think they'll probably burn a little bit longer to boil my water. So let's try it out. I have to hold it in place because this rock is not very flat, so it's gonna fall off. All right, lunchtime. I'm gonna have a risotto with chicken from Backpacker's Pantry, and I will let you guys know how it tastes. I've never tried it before, so. All right, this actually tastes pretty decent. Risotto with chicken, it's not bad. And it's pretty filling. I put too much water in it, but yeah, it's pretty tasty. 580 calories apparently. All right, well, it's time for me to head out of this place. It's so beautiful and peaceful here, and I'm heading back to the car. It's starting to get a little cold as well, so I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, just take a second to hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it helps me keep doing these things, these outdoor adventures, and I hope you guys appreciate it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.